Welcome to How to Beauty today, and we are going to talk all about facial oils, but most importantly, affordable facial oils. There are so many facial oils that are on the market. I cannot begin to tell you how many. It's insane. And the prices are even crazier. Now, when it comes to oils, there is no such thing as hypoallergenic. There is no such thing as non-comedogenic. Something that is comedogenic could mean that's clogging. Hypoallergenic means it doesn't irritate. There's no such thing when it comes to oils, because one oil could irritate or clog one person's pores or someone else swears by it. So why would we want to spend $300 on a facial oil when we could go to Trader Joe's and spend under $10 for one of these oils? I believe the vitamin E oil from Trader Joe's is under $6, and the 100% organic argan oil is under $10. It's amazing. Now, for me, I have extremely sensitive skin, meaning not only is it dry, but it can clog. But when it clogs with whiteheads, blackheads, kind of just like everybody else. But I can also get a lot of acne. So for my skin type, these oils work great. I have used the oils that are very much more expensive, and some argan oils that are well known, and those actually broke me out. And those start around $40. Why I like these is they melt right into the skin. And I'll show you the argan oil and the vitamin E. So the argan oil is here, drippy drippy, and it does leave a nice sheen, but it melts into the skin. And in these winter months, it just year round. I use this in the summertime, no joke. So very lightweight, wonderful. And then the vitamin E, it is just a really nice, inexpensive oil that you can put on your face, your feet, your nails, your hair. It's amazing. The argan oil you can do the same with. It's literally a couple dollars more. Why one over the other? I will tell you, everybody's skin is different. I would buy them both. I would try them everywhere that we talked about: hands, feet, hair, face. And I would just try one for 2 weeks and then see what you like best. I will tell you, I love the argan oil on my hair. I love it on my face. I will cocktail it with different products. I don't like to waste a lot of time. I'm going to do some get ready with me videos, and you will see these being layered and used. I just love them. They have no scent. They don't clog my skin. They're super lightweight. The affordability factor is amazing. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, you can go online and purchase it. They're amazing. It's worth a couple dollars to try. And I just wanted to share this with you. I think you will absolutely love this as much as I do. Last thing, application. This one has like a little top that you can just pour from, where this one has a vial that you would take out and do your little drops. Oh, I don't want to lose that. But really and truly, if you're just putting the dropper into your hand, it's very sanitary either way, and I think you'll absolutely love these. I'm so glad I could share this with you. Thank you so much for watching. Be well, and I will talk to you next time.